Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, select the file or folder you want to share. Right-click and open Share or click the Get Link control at the top. Once done, choose Link Visibility, restricted for specific people or anyone with link for broader access, and pick the role, Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Make sure to confirm the account shown so you don't share from the wrong profile. Finally, add specific email addresses now if you need targeted access, and move on to permission details. Now refine how people interact with the file. Add individual email addresses and assign editor, commenter, or viewer roles so users only get needed capabilities. Once done, make use of advanced controls. Set expiration dates for temporary access, disable downloads or printing to protect content, and toggle editors can change permissions if you want to prevent further sharing. If you're sharing a folder, note that permissions can apply to all items inside, and you may prefer adding a Google group. Or to finish, click Send to notify users or copy link to paste into an email, chat, or calendar invite. Make sure you include the correct message and any usage instructions. Then verify access by opening the file in an incognito window or asking a recipient to confirm they can open it. If something goes wrong, go to Manage Access to audit permissions and revoke if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if recipients can't open the file, confirm they're signed into the account you shared with, clear browser cache, and reshare explicitly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.